Here we have a 1968 Series 3 Lotus Elan. Obviously one of the baby Elans. You realise how dinky it is when it's outside here. Finished in red, black vinyl interior. Underside is in excellent condition, wishbones have been painted, the underside of the body shell has been painted in the arches, etc. We've just carried out just under £9,000 worth of engine rebuild and mechanical restoration. It's all adjustable platforms on the front and rear. It was originally a coupe converted by Spyder cars, a well-known name in the Lotus world, in 2011, fully repainted at that point. There's a couple little paint blemishes on her now, but show me an Elan that hasn't in most cases. Pedal fit is pretty good for an Elan. Runs really sweetly. Walnut dashboard, radio CD, motor leader steering wheel. Interior is in extremely good order. Hood is in good condition. It's a car to be used. Obviously by all means show it, but it's such a sweet little Elan to drive. Did a bit of micro blistering on the bonnet, which you may be able to see on the video here. There is some photos of it on our website as well, and on the headlight pods, and that's probably the worst areas of the paint. Obviously it's not priced as a concours example, and the person who buys this vehicle will be starting from a really good mechanical start point. It's available for Allon White Sports Cars on 01234 750 205. Give us a call and pop in for a little drive. Thank you for viewing.